Okay, now that we know where is the C here and where is the G here, we will play with one finger. So I would like you to use this motion for the finger. Do you see this? I know it seems strange and we won't use that really kind of too much, but for the sake of really learning how to play with the fingers on the keys, please do it. So just imagine that you have to erase a dot from here. You have to clean the key really good. So now place the hand, nice hand position, place the hand on, and the thumb on the C, finger number 1, and play once. Ready, go. Okay, now try again. Ready, go. One more time. Ready, go. Now, let's imagine that we have an umbrella. This is the umbrella. So these fingers are the umbrella, and this is the stick. Okay, so the finger number 4 is the stick of the umbrella. Let's place the stick on the G, finger number 4 on the G. The thumb is curved inside, not this way, right? Kind of sort of below the second finger. And so let me find the G. So ready, go. Let's do this same movement this way, right? Because that's the way that our hand will function. Ready, go. Try to imagine that you have to close your hand. Try again. Good. Now, pause the video and maybe do this exercise kind of 10 times. Have fun.